Okay, question 7. Class sat a geography test and a French test. The marks gained by pupils in those tests are summarised in the table below. For which subject was there a greater range of marks? So just looking at the table here, you can see how spread out they are in geography. They're much more spread out in French. Okay, so French obviously is where the greater range is. Because remember, with range, it's highest take away lowest. Okay, you could even work out what the range is for French, because it says give an explanation for your answer. Okay, for your choice. Well, the range here, the highest mark would be 10, the lowest mark would be 1. Okay, so you've got one student who's got 10 marks, you've got two students who's got 1 mark. So the range of marks there would be 10 take away 1, the highest take away lowest, which is 9. Whereas with geography, you've got highest, which is 9 marks, lowest, which is 4 marks. Okay, so the range in that case will be 9 take away 4, which is 5. So French has the highest range. French has the highest range because the marks are spread out less. You could even say that, because marks are spread out less. Part 2, it says, without making any calculations, which subjects had the greater mean mark for the test? Well, in terms of the mean, okay, mean means an average, doesn't it? Okay, you obviously add them all up, divide by how many is there. We don't want to do that in this case, okay, because there's quite a lot of work to do that, because we're talking in terms of marks here. But you could see here, right, that in geography, we've got quite a few students here who had 7 and 8 marks, okay, you know, and you had quite a few having 6 marks there. So there's quite a few grouped around the top here who had 6, 7 or 8 marks. Whereas when you look at French, there's not many people here at the top end. In fact, they're all grouped around this area here, yeah? Okay, so we can say the majority of students scored between 6 to 8 in geography, whereas it was 3 to 5 marks in French. Okay, so geography will have the greater mean.